Meet Otto, the record-breaking, pro-skating English bulldog.
Ver a un perro en skate es una cosa pues no muy usual y muy divertida para la gente.
In 2015, he bounded into the record books, passing through a human tunnel of 30 legs. The half-piping pooch first discovered his talent as a puppy, playing around on his owner's board. But before long, he had gained a fan base.
Cuando nosotros salíamos a la calle con Otto que juegue con su skate, poco a poco la gente nos paraba en la calle, nos decía, oye, quiero verlo, qué cosa está haciendo, cómo monta skate.
And possibly proving once and for all that you can teach an old dog new tricks, Otto can now surf on a skimboard. And his talents haven't gone unnoticed. In 2016, Otto was nominated for a prestigious Hot Dog Prize at the World Dog Awards. Sadly, he lost out to a Jack Russell riding a horse. But Otto will always be a winner to his loving owners.
Para nosotros es un miembro más de la familia y es un hijo para nosotros.